Busy day ahead tomorrow on West Michigan's Morning News. We'll start with homeowners insurance. You know, it's pricey. You'd like to save some money? 7 ways to do just that may surprise you. Now, your kid goes to bed with a cough and you want to give them something. What should you give? Or maybe not at all? We'll make sense out of that story as well. Michigan, Indiana tickets you can win. Also, 6 opportunities for you to win $1,000 that you could translate into $50,000. Now, we'll also get to the bottom of this. If you can see out my window, somehow in the last 24 hours, some prankster has deposited some 90 billion leaves in my yard. We'll get to the bottom of that tomorrow morning. We start at 5 on Wood Radio.